Hi, this is D-Rex and I'm with Barack Obama and Mitt Romney. Today we are talking about the use of credit with teens. Your first question, Governor Romney: what are the benefits and responsibilities of credit?
Without credit, the global economic system would grind to a stop. Credit benefits teens by allowing them to acquire things they need now even if they do not have the necessary funds.
President Obama, what advice would you give teens on credit?
Well, T-Rex, I would recommend that teens do not charge items that they will not be able to pay for by the end of the month. They should use credit only when in an emergency.
Thank you, President. Now, Governor Romney, what do you believe teens should do to maintain a high credit score?
In this economy it's hard for teens to retain a high score, but with my CUS plan they will have no problem. CUS represents check your report, use it or lose it, and shrink your balance.
Great. Now last question for you, Mr. President. What are the costs of credit?
There are multiple costs of credit. For example, if you don't pay your bill on time, you will be charged interest on your balance. This could potentially put you in a lot of debt.
Thank you. This concludes our interview for the night. God bless America and keep a tight leash on your credit.